Hello kids, let's draw with me. Now we draw alphabets and numbers. This is letter A. Now we draw here letter B. And this is letter C. Now we draw numbers. 1. This is number 1. This is number 2. Now we draw here number 3. Light green color. A for apple. Dark green color. B for ball. Pink color. C for cat. Dark blue color. 1. This is number 1. Orange color. 2. Number 2. Purple color. 3. This is number 3. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching till the next video. Bye bye.